So welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. In this today class, we are discussing metal to halogen clusters. In that, first we'll see basics. First, as you know that carbon to carbon single bond is a saturated, carbon to carbon double bond and triple bond they are unsaturated. In carbon to carbon double bond, one is sigma, another one is phi. In carbon to carbon triple bond, one sigma and two phi bonds are there. First, in metal halogen clusters, in this class we are discussing mainly metal clusters of bond order 4, that is quadruple bond. In that, first we have to know bond strength of sigma is greater than phi greater than delta. Sigma is more because in that sigma head to head overlapping is there. It is a more, that's why its bond strength also more. Phi is less because here we see side on overlapping, and further delta is less because here less overlapping of orbitals takes place. That's why its bond is weak. Here bond strength is less. First, in this metal to metal bond orders, sigma phi delta bonds we see. In that metal, first we have to see what are the orbitals, phi d orbitals, phi dxy dyz dzx dx square minus y square dz square, like this. Here T2G means three orbitals like dxy dyz dzx dx are non-axial orbitals. These are present in between the axis, but dx square minus and y square and dz square, these are EG orbitals. They are present in axis, that's why they are called as axial or orbitals. In that, first we have to remember, we have to remember these points. In the examination they will ask simply, uh, dz square orbital is used in sigma bond formation, dx and dyz, these orbitals are used in phi bond, and dxy plus dxy, these bonds are used in delta bonding, that is in case of Re2Cl8 2 minus. But if they ask delta bond in a dimeric copper acetate solution, in that case that delta bond is formed by dx square minus y square and dx square minus y square. This is asked in GATE question. In that, first these are the basics. In first we have to know Re2Cl8 is existing as a eclipsed molecule. This point we have to understand. In next I will explain how to find calculations of bond order. As you know that a bond order is calculated by half of number of bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electrons. In this, here for this energy diagram is bonding molecular orbitals and anti-bonding molecular orbitals are there. Here here how we have to remember this energy level diagram means, first sigma star, pi stars, delta star, like this. Here four box, here this four box, these four orbitals. In that, first we'll see for Re2Cl8 minus, the bond order is like that. You have to here you have to consider this both Re2 as a 1, that is x, and Cl8 means Cl is minus 1 into 8 is minus 2, is equal to this charge is equal to minus 2. Here x is plus 6 means for two both Re atoms, that oxidation state is plus 6. As you know that Re it is comes under magnesium group. Manganese means, here manganese, for manganese valence electrons are 7. Similarly for uh, Re also 7 valence electrons are there. 7 into 2 means 14 electrons are there. In that, we have to plus 6 means you have to subtract this 6 electrons. 14 minus 6 means we are getting 8 electrons. We have to fill 8 electrons here, like this. Here in bonding molecular orbitals only these 8 electrons are filled. So bond order is half of bonding electrons minus anti-bonding electrons. Bonding electrons are 8 and anti-bonding electrons are 0. So bond order is 4. Here Re to Re is a quadruple bond. And one important point is that this color, if for color of this metal clusters, if it shows delta to delta star transition, that is invisible radiation, then that compound gives colored compound. And if suppose delta to delta star transition is not there, then that complex is colorless. Normally these quadruple bonding clusters are colored because here we are having delta to delta star transition. Here delta is there now in HOMO, in LUMO delta star is there. So here electrons jumps from delta to delta star. Here delta to delta star transition is taking place. That's why here color of the complex will get. As you have discussed in Ru2Cl8 is a colored substance because it's showing delta to delta star transition. Similarly for OS to osmium to Cla2 minus, for OS to osmium to if you take it as a X minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Here osmium comes under iron series, ferrous, Fe or ruthenium osmium. For valence electrons are 6, 8. 8 into 2 means 6, minus this 6 is there, we have to subtract. 16 minus 6 is 10, so we have to fill 10 electrons. Here 8 electrons are filled in bonding molecular orbitals and 2 electrons are filled in anti-bonding. So on calculating we'll get bond order is 3. Here this is colorless complex because here we are not getting delta to delta star transition. Here we are getting delta star to pi star transition, but here for color of the complex that should show delta to delta star transition. That's why this complex is colorless. In this video I discussed how to find bond order and whether to tell it gives colored complex or not. In next coming videos I will discuss remaining 8 to 5 to 6 some bond order related questions. I hope friends it helped you. Please subscribe to my channel GPSTR CTT. Thank you friends.